By the way, this is my brother-in-law's trailer. This is Steve.
What's up?
Hi, welcome to Project for Another Day. For today's project, we are working on this beat up trailer. It is a 5x8. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. This piece is just hanging on. The welds are amazing. Perfect welds. This is how a trailer should be made. And then this has a huge hole in here, so we're gonna fix all that up minus the tailgate on a budget for 50 bucks. Yeah, about $60, give or take.
Yep.
We're just gonna redo the flooring here, or however you call it, and let's get started. Now what we're gonna do first is we're gonna cut these welds off because they are amazing. If you can see, we're gonna tear this whole thing off and then put wood on top of it. Sparks and Crocs don't mix. That burns. So we found an easier way of doing things. For these weaker welds that they put on, you just hit it. Just like this.
Might be a problem. Better for you to hit this side.
Okay. Last and final piece. We're almost done. Just gonna hit it one more time. It's right here. Right here. Right here, these two. One more right next to it, yep. There you go, the whole thing should come off. And the moment of truth, it's off. Don't poke
It's all.
Don't poke yourself. Take it out. Now we're gonna make it 7.5 and cut it. So just some real quick. These drill bits are awesome. They cut like butter. They are
Amazon.
I got it from Amazon. Careful with that one. There's yeah.
This one's on the metal though.
Yeah, just go slow. I got it on Amazon for $80-some, and they cut like butter. I'll just go to the next one. Skip it to the next one. So here's a demonstration. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just letting you guys know.
We're helping y'all save money.
Yeah. Like butter. So we drilled everything. I got everything down, and it's a lot better now. So
More sturdy on the paint too.
yeah, we still got this backside that we can't do yet, but as the channel says, it's a project for another day. So this is how it looks now, with the wood down. We did the two sides, but I couldn't record it because the battery died. So we did that. We painted it, spray painted it a little, and that's how it looks. It's not too bad. We might add another 1x6 down here for extra support or whatever. But other than that, everything else is good. And that is it for this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next project. Thanks, bye.